Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, physics technique and robotics. The focus of this video is my ESP32 right here, connected to some electronics and two motors, and the objective is to go on with where I left off last time, which is using the flash memory of the ESP32 to control some hardware. I managed to get some text scrolling, hello world, it's as simple as that. Then LED blinking, LED, this one and this one, using the menu configuration. Up next is of course this 7-segment display. However, 7-segment display has 7 LEDs and one LED is just one LED. So can I get either through the menu configuration or just in source code get the whole of the 7-segment display working using the same program? Let's find out, and to find out I switch to screencast. So in order to get either one of these segments to work, I of course have to rely on schematics, not this one but this one, and just take either one of these I/O ports. Either one of them is alright. Let's just start with segment A, 18. So how to do that as quickly as possible? Well, menu config, and example configuration, GPIO number 18 it will be, and that would be it. Save and that should be quit then. Not quite sure why it doesn't do that. It just stops entirely. Failed with exit code. Well, what I can do of course is say, alright, I do it anyway. Flash. Next thing that should happen after flashing it is that obviously one of those segments starts to blink. After compilation, and then monitor, and then it should work. And let me exit this one. That is most likely the cause of it not to save nicely. We'll find out soon enough. Writing, and that's it. Monitor. And then it turns out that, and let me just sharpen the camera, that top segment is A. So yes, it clearly does work. And then let's quit. Examine this one. Where has the 18 gone? Is there any 18 visible? Let's find out. 18, nothing found. So somehow it just takes it from the configuration I just set. And that's about it. Can I put more in it? That's another question. So once again in menu, and can I put two numbers in it? A and B segments. malformed integer value, which means it's simply just one of them. And obviously when I say right, go for it, yes, flash another programming, and obviously 19 is this one, segment B, whichever one that is. However, I want to do more than one, and it says here blink GPIO, but I will have to study this code in order to make sure that I can not only rely on the menuconfig but also on the code, because I want to access more than one I/O port. And that is going to work is no doubt about it. And then the next one obviously is, I don't know if you see the mouse, but that is obviously right here, is B. Alright. That's working. Now for two of them. Menuconfig won't work, so I have to find out in the source code. So I want to try if I can manually adjust this code. For that I use another one. I tried 18 and 19, segment C is 15, so I'm going to try 15. And I have to adjust this line, copy it, and adjust it completely. I make 15 of it, and that should make 15 going to blink. I'm not going to make any other changes right now, so I'm going to say flash and see whatever happens. And C is probably this one, most likely, and monitor. And by the looks of it, yes, that is the one. But there's only one LED to be configured. So if I take another one, link GPIO, can I just do that? Let's see if what's happened if I take segment D, which is 2, and I just add it. It probably says no with an error, but I can only find out if it really goes wrong. Yeah, it does go wrong. So I replace it, and I really need to adjust code for addressing two GPIOs. Which is very clearly this bottom LED. So yeah, how to do that, that's another point. Okay, for the code change, I added blink GPIO _2 and I went back to 18 and 19, being segment A and segment B. Then I added blink GPIO in the rest of the code as well. So added one line here, and obviously here as well, and here as well. Everything doubled. Let's see if this works out anyway. Right, monitor, and yes, 2 LEDs blinking on and off. So yeah, it can be done and it works nicely. So point proven, but I will have to add for each one of the 7 segments, not including the dot, a line as such. But it's working out. Nice. And this of course raises a different question. Is this more difficult than using, for example, the Arduino IDE? Well, in the Arduino environment, everything is nicely configured already, while in this bare C environment, which is not really an environment but just a VI editor with the bare C code, you have to do everything from scratch, and that is different. Looking at the other environment with addressing 7-segment display showing the different letters or digits, then I will have to adjust it completely and leave out the blinking and just address every segment in itself. So for for the digit 1, which is B and C, only address that one. So that is totally different code. For now, I'll leave it at that, and for next video I think I will focus purely on that one, because now I know how to address 2 segments in one time. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. This is of course going to be continued. Please visit my website for more interesting projects. And for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.